Welcome to Cooking Ben. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a classic favorite, Pad Thai. Let's start by preparing the Pad Thai sauce using ingredients easily found at your local grocery store. It's all about convenience.
大家好，我哋今日做一個 Pad Thai。
Mix 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Be sure to taste your fish sauce beforehand, as some can be quite salty and you might need to adjust the amount. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Set this sauce aside. It's the heart of your Pad Thai, balancing salty, sweet, and tangy flavors. Next, we'll prepare the noodles. We recommend using the 3 Ladies brand rice noodles. A 14 Oz package will make about 3 servings. Boil some water and then turn off the heat. Add the rice noodles to the hot water and let them soak for 15 minutes. Drain the noodles and set them aside. Now, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Sweet preserved radish, or shredded radish, dried radish pickle, Chinese cabbage, shredded carrots, shredded onion, shredded Chinese chives, and bean sprouts. Feel free to use whatever vegetables you prefer or have on hand. Flexibility is key. You'll need coriander, shredded carrots, dried shrimp, and peanuts or cashew nuts for the garnish. For the eggs, you have a few options. You can scramble, fry, cut them into small pieces, or cook them with the noodles. Use 2 eggs for this recipe.
燒起嗰隻鑊，落低油。
Let's start cooking. Heat your wok to medium-high, around 138 degrees Celsius. Add oil and wait about 10 seconds.
先炒下洋葱，
Sauté the onion until it becomes fragrant, which takes about 20 seconds. Then, pour half the eggs and let them sit for about 20 seconds before scrambling. This helps keep the pieces larger. Next, add the carrots.
我哋將嗰啲調菜啦，有啲人咧就叫大白菜啦，炒佢先。
Since home stoves aren't as powerful as restaurant ones, we start with the veggies to give them enough time to cook.
我要得啦，倒起佢，跟住加翻少少油，
Add more oil to the wok to prevent sticking, then add the noodles.
跟住Pad Thai粉。
Next, add the Chinese chives and cook until they're about half done.
炒菜咧唔需要係話炒到佢好熟㗎。
Add the cabbage and shrimp, then pour in half the sauce and stir well.
即係芽菜咧，你諗住食佢有啲爽口嘅咧，好似依家咁，我哋係調些少先至放落嘅。
Add the bean sprouts last for a crunchy texture.
你睇到咧，我頭先落咗好多嗰啲汁，但係咧，你依家睇到佢係收晒身㗎啦。
Finally, mix thoroughly in the remaining sauce until the noodles and veggies absorb the sauce.
我最尾我就再加少少落去。OK。得啦，睇到咧，係佢冇搭埋㗎，係封開㗎。
Arrange coriander, shredded carrots, sprinkle sesame seeds, and add some spice powder on the side if desired. Serve with lime or lemon wedges, dried shrimp, and nuts on top for the finishing touches. And there you have it, a delicious homemade Pad Thai ready to impress your guests. Thank you for tuning in to Cooking Ben. We'll be sharing new videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe and give our video a thumbs up.